didn't matter which phrase was there, but as soon as you messed around with the actual date, that was really a huge mover of whether or not they thought they would discard it or not. There have been some eye tracking studies trying to understand where people's attention is directed for various reasons is important. So we get both where their eyes are and then what they say is going to happen. And in both cases, it's all about the date, and the phrase is second fiddle. I think it's just more salient. The date, it was varying across different pictures that they were receiving. And so it's where the action is. It's more actionable, right? Than the phrase is on its face. It's still important for policy reasons to get the phrases down to 2. That's only the beginning, and there needs to be a broader conversation about pushing those date horizons back where it's safe to help minimize the food waste, because that's the real mover on the amount of waste